Installing Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine on 50 square meter premises. Hello everyone, today Go&Go would like to start a practical topic that many people are interested in, which is installing Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine on a 50 square meter premises. In fact, many of you own a rent premises of about 50 square meter, sometimes a beautiful frontage house, but it is empty and not being exploited effectively. The question is, with such an area, is it possible to open a modern motorbike washing shop? The answer is absolutely possible. With an area of 50 square meters, the arrangement of an automatic motorbike washing shop is quite neat. Go&Go motorbike washing machines is designed to be optimal, compact, but still ensure high capacity. Part of the area is for the machine area, parts for customer waiting and operating auxiliary service so that washing helmets is enough to create a complete shop. In fact, at Go&Go store that have been installed only 50 square meters is needed to serve hundreds of motorbikes every day, because the automatic motorbike washing machine has to wash quickly, only about 5 minutes for one turn. In fact, on a big day, washing from few dozen to 100 motorbikes is completely feasible, with an average price of $1 to $2 per motorbike. The daily revenue has reached $100 to $200, not to mention additional revenue from helmet washing, coffees, and oil change service if any. The strength of this model is saving labor. Instead of needing 4 to 5 people to wash by hand, with the automatic motorbike washing machine, only 1 to 2 people are enough to operate, collect money, and take care of customers. This helps reduce costs, is easy to manage while still ensuring professionalism. In particular, with a beautiful facade, you will attract customers more easily when passing by and seeing a modern, professional washing machine. Customers will feel more secure, more confident, and of course, will come to wash regularly. Another important factor is stability. Go&Go motorbike washing machines are designed to be durable and operate continuously. Go&Go not only provides machines, but also accompanies you from the site survey, space arrangement, installation to operating instruction, and marketing support. The goal is to help your store open quickly, operate effectively, and attract customers from the very first day. With a 50 square meters area, investing in this model not only take advantage of the empty space, but also create a stable source of income for the long term, especially during the occasion in the end of the year. The demand for motorbike washings always double or triple. So in just one peak season, you can recover most of the investment capital. Go&Go believes that a modern automatic motorbike wash shop is an area of 50 square meters will be practical, effective, and sustainable business model for many of you who are looking for a new direction. If you are interested in more detail about the layout of the 50 square meters area, investment costs, and want to experience the actual machine, please leave your information or contact Go&Go directly. Our team is always ready to support you to make the right decision and quickly start your business.